Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do some baking, and I haven't done a baking video in a while, so we're gonna make some delicious pumpkin treats, and I hope you enjoy watching. You want to start out with some flour in a bowl. You want to add some sugar and some salt. Give that a quick mix. And then you can go ahead and add in your butter in chunks. Next up, you want to go ahead and knead that into an even dough. And when you're done with that, you want to let that sit in the fridge for an hour at least. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and prepare your pumpkin. So you want to cut it open, remove all the seeds, and then cut it down into smaller pieces. You want to put it in some boiling water with some sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. And then you want to let that cook for about 15 minutes until it is softened. Then you can go ahead and add the brown sugar, the cinnamon, and the nutmeg. And you want to create your pumpkin puree out of that. Then you want to roll out the dough very thinly. And then you want to cut out 6 circles. You want to put some pumpkin puree in the middle. Then you want to take some cold water and you want to spread it all around the edges of these circles. And then you want to fold it over. You can't see right here, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to do it. Then you want to use a fork to create this little bit of a dent at the edges. And then do 3 cuts on top with a knife. And then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. And your little pumpkin pastry is done. So I hope you give this a try and I hope you enjoy it.